Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about mousepads, RGB of course. This big mousepad is the Corsair MM700 RGB extended version. Depending on your desk, this will cover pretty much more than half of your desk space. In fact, the dimensions are 930mm per 400mm, so this is really huge. Now, to be honest, there is nothing too special about mousepads. They are almost all the same. Some includes a part when you can charge the phone wireless, some have RGB, some don't. But I have noticed here a difference in the quality of the materials. Alright guys, before going ahead with the video, as usual, I want to say that this isn't a sponsored video. I did pay for the MM700 RGB mousepad, so I would appreciate if you hit the like button in case you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. It will help grow the channel and allow me to bring more content like this. Thank you so much. Inside the box there isn't too much. The mousepad itself, roll it in this support here, and a long USB Type-C cable, since there is a mini USB of 2 USB Type-A ports. I would have preferred the pad to be covered better because the dust and the material of this roll might damage the pad, but anyway. There isn't too much to say about the installation. It's straightforward. Just plug in into the one of USB free port that you have and you're done. The pad will turn on the light and you will have also 2 USB ports available if you want to connect your devices. I usually use them for the keyboard receiver and other devices like USB sticks and similar. My previous pad didn't have any USB port, just the one powering the pad itself. So to me this is a nice add-on. Near the USB Type-C port there is this little button in case you want to change the light. It has 12 onboard presets in case you don't want to use the IQ software for the light effects. I have to say that the material feels really high quality, and this thing is heavy for being a mousepad. The texture of both sides doesn't feel cheap or something that won't last long. The cloth allows the mouse to move easily and fast. Once on the desk, it feels pretty solid and didn't move at all in any circumstances. The corner sides, basically the plastic silicone I believe material, is well done, and when you roll, even with a tighter angle, doesn't get broken and then has these strange light artifacts as happened with the generic pad that I've used before. If you want, you can use IQ software to change the lighting effect. The light effects are split into 3 zones. One is the light on the logo on the top of the USB hub, and the other 2 zones are in the opposite corners. And here you can decide for the overall brightness of the pad. Speaking about lights and brightness, I have to say that the lights in this pad are bright. Of course, in a dark room or during the night you can see it more than during the day. That's all for the overview of the MM700 RGB extended mousepad. I have to admit that the quality of the material is different and well done from other pads that I have used in the past. The cloth doesn't interfere with the mouse movement, and it also has a USB hub with 2 USB ports, which is always welcome. And of course RGB, because why not? If you guys enjoyed watching this video, I would appreciate if you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.